Hey, what's up YouTubers? This is John Rambo, and this morning I'm doing an unboxing. This is a bug out bag from Cold Dead Hands. I'm going to tell you right now, if you're somebody that likes customer service and you like to get your product, whatever you order within a week or so, do not order from Cold Dead Hands. I've been waiting for this for over a month, for about a month and a half, and it just has got here. I think this thing's shipped straight from China. It's got like a Chinese address on it. But anyway, I want to build a new bug out bag, one I could put a firearm in. So we want to see what this looks like, and I'm going to use a Firefield bayonet here to open this thing up. This might actually make it's actually sharp. It might make a good box opener or package opener as this such. I tore into it a little bit to make sure I got the right color, because I checked Cold Dead Hands, like Better Business Bureau. They actually have an F with the Better Business Bureau. I thought I'd actually got shammed till I checked the computer this morning and said it was actually delivered. But yeah, this came straight from China, I think. We'll see what we got here. I don't think it's got no frame. I don't know if it's going to make a lot of difference, but I wanted to build a pretty awesome bug out bag, and this showed to have a lot of MOLLE attachments, which was kind of something I've been lacking, a big pack of MOLLE attachments. Other than military packs, so I ain't gonna use no ACU. All right. Got some pretty good pockets on the side. Got a big one on top here. Pouch on top. Let's see if I can figure out how to put the one in the inside. I was hoping to put the New England Survival shotgun in this. Still gotta figure out how to get to the gun part. Let's have a zipper in there. Right here it is. Nope. I guess you probably put probably put a hydration container down in here. Still ain't figured out how to get to the drop set. Aha. Okay. Right here, so to put the firearm in, it goes down in here. Just try it out. Alright, we got the New England. Let's see if it'll fit in this. I know it will if I break it down, but it's supposed to be big enough that you didn't have to break it down. They said it actually has 2 compartments for 2 different guns, but no, it's just one. Alright, we bottomed it out right there. Will not completely fit the a New England Survivor. The barrel was about 4 or 5 inches shorter at wood. Alright, so overall, doesn't look like you're going to put a sleeping bag much in the pack. But somehow I'm going to make this work. It's going to be one of my new bug out bags. Alright, it's John Rambo. I'm out.